Third one, Sterling. Jesus Christ.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, Central and Eastern Allegheny, Maryland, and Shenandoah, Virginia, and the following counties in West Virginia, Eastern Monroe, and Hampshire. High wind warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Thursday. West to northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include in Maryland, Central and Eastern Allegheny County, in West Virginia, Hampshire, and Eastern Monroe counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.